Hello everybody, today we talk about Tron or TRX. What is Tron? The beginners quite launched at the height of 2016's cryptomania. Tron has since alongside a global group of investors and develops around a vision for how cryptocurrency could reach the internet. But use the goal of using blockchains to create a distributed web was common among projects launching at the time. Tron distinguished its offering with communications that resonated even as criticisms about its technology persisted. For instance, Tron was rare among cryptocurrency launching in 2017 in that it did not seek to advertise any advance in cryptography or network design. Rather, the basic building blocks of Tron, decentralized applications, smart contracts, tokens, the digital proof of stake consensus were pioneered by other projects prior to its launch. Tron even went so far as to take components of its technology compatible with Ethereum ATH, which sparked accusations it went too far in borrowing its ideas. Tron included further differences and Asia-focused go-to-market strategies that heavily relied on publishing its creator just in some and translating its technical documents into a wider variety of languages than generally targeted by cryptocurrency projects. Tron went to gain rather mainstream attention in 2018 when the non-profit spearheading its development. The Tron Foundation's acquired peer-to-peer networking pioneer BitTorrent. This exciting process launch of a BitTorrent token on the Tron blockchain in 2019 moves that gave Tron the ability to market a new cryptocurrency to millions of exciting users. Who created Tron? Tron was created by entrepreneur Sun Yongchit, Justin Sun, a two-time recipient of Forbes 13 Under 30 award in Asia in early 2017. An established presence in China, Sun had earlier founded the audio content application Payvo and served in 2015 as a representative for Ripple for profit companies that steward the XRP cryptocurrency before founding the Tron Foundation's year. Sun's business background succeeded in attracting earlier interest from investors, including Clash of Kites, founder Tank Binces and CAO of bike sharing startup OFO Diaway. Among others, these supports its time boosted visibility of the project September ACO, which raised millions in cryptocurrency from the basic using a token on the Ethereum blockchain. The second version of the white paper, further outlining Tron's technology, was released in 2018. How does Tron work? Initially created as token based on Ethereum, Tron finally migrated to its own network in 2018. The process involved investors trading in their Ethereum tokens for Tron's TRX cryptocurrency. The Ethereum tokens were subsequently destroyed. General architecture like Ethereum, ETH, Tron use an account-based model, meaning the cryptographic keys into its protocol queues can control access to both TRX and TRX token balances. The Tron blockchain then routes the exchange of this data through three layers. First layer is core layer. Computers instruction written in Java or Solidity, a language designed for Ethereum, and sends them to the Tron virtual machine, which executes the logic. Application layer utilized by developers to create tools and applications powered by the TRX cryptocurrency and compatible with software. Strong storage layer designed to segment blockchain data as a record of the blockchain history. Each state data which provides the status of smart contracts. The digital proof of stake. Okay, let's continue. To reach consensus of its launcher, Tron uses a system in which a rotating cast of 27 super-representatives are entrusted to validate transactions and drain the system's history. Super-representatives are chosen every 6 hours and if chosen, is the ability to collect new TRX generated by the protocol. Logs are added to the blockchain every 3 seconds, and those who produce a valid log are awarded 34 TRX for their efforts. A total of many million TRX is awarded annually. In addition to super-representatives, users can operate 3 types of nodes on the Tron blockchain: whiteness nodes, full nodes, and solidity nodes. Whiteness nodes propose blocks and vote on protocol transactions, while full nodes broadcast transactions and blocks. Solidity nodes sends blocks from full nodes and provide APIs. More details on the network block production and super-representatives can be found here. Staking TRX on Tron. To vote on super-representatives, Tron users need a network resource called Tron Power. Users receive 1 Tron Power for every 1 TRX they choose to log in an account that is prevented from spending it. Associated cryptocurrency upon unfreezing the cryptocurrency usually lose their Tron Power and the ability to vote. Tron Power cannot be traded like TRX or other tokens used on top of the Tron blockchain. Effectively, the process works the same as staking on blockchains like Tezos of Cosmos, where users earn rewards by looking up funds. By aware, this may not be possible using a custodial exchange like Kraken. Why use TRX? TronX is necessary for using applications on the Tron network, meaning if you're seeking to use Tron-based game or service, you need to purchase TRX. Owning TRX is also a prerequisite to participate participating in Tron's consumer system, meaning you will want TRX if you instead stake coins and vote on how the protocol's operations are conducted. Depending on their investment, these traders may also want to add TRX to their portfolio, and this platform enables users to create custom applications, and token traders who believe strongly in these use cases for blockchains may want exposure to Tron. They may also value the cryptocurrency ability to generate passive income, so staking this can help other theorics in holding or owning the assessed part of their portfolio. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.